Okay, I hear the wind picking up. Yep. Let's see from here if you can see the wind picking up. Let's see where Adolfo is. He is nowhere to be seen. Ooh, I hear alarm. Okay, even though the wind is picking up, but there is not much rain, and that's the reason why. Oh, there he is. I see. Adolfo is down there. Can you see? There he is. Yes, Adolfo right there. Ooh, the alarm. Ambulance. Oh no, that's a fire truck. Adolfo, are you coming back? Adolfo. I'll let him enjoy the outdoor for a while, as long as I don't think he will go far, so he should learn his lesson not to be out when it's raining, especially in a hurricane. Huh. Sitting in my rocking chair. Usually I sit here in the morning sipping coffee, sometimes with my laptop. It feels good. Okay, that's my weeping willow. There he is. Topo. Finally. I'm going back in. Are you? You want to go back in? Yes? I guess that's a yes. Coming in or not? Thank the Lord. Yep. The rain is very heavy now. So I better close the door. Okay. Where is he? Where is the rascal? Where is he? There he is. Wow, you have quite an adventure today. And you are all wet. Alright. Enjoy. I'll turn off the video. Come back.